25th of April, the Hindu newspaper, text and context page. Of course, the focus of this article, National Clean Air Program. What is National Clean Air Program? It is a scheme which helps to improve the air quality in 131 cities, engaging all stakeholders. It comes under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOEFCC. And to be more specific, the scheme wants to reduce the particulate matter 10 concentrations up to 40% by 2025-26. These are the two key points from this National Clean Air Program. Let us have a look onto what is particulate matter. Of course, microscopic solids or liquid droplets that are so small that can be inhaled and causes serious health problems. And when we are focusing on this article, in this paragraph, in the very first paragraph, it simply defines about the target. Initially 20 to 30% by 2024, from which levels? 2017 levels, and then later revised to 40% by 2026. What is NCAP and what does it want to do? See here, under NCAPs, it is continuously violating annual PM levels, particulate matter in this. To facilitate this, the ministry allocated fund. This is the amount of fund that has to be focused. And then when the report being checked, on an average, only 60% allocated funds have been used thus far, according to the ministry, with 27% of cities spending less than 30% of their designated budgets. The budgets will be allocated based on their performance of control of these particulate matter concentrations. And here there are reasons why what is lagging in this National Clean Air Program. Lack of standard operating procedures for what? Implementing the process. And also time consuming tasks required to implement the control measure. Well defined timelines has to be created. This is what the point is. Lack of standard operating procedures. And then here, bureaucratic red tape. Let us have a look what exactly is red tape. Red tape, rules or regulations or standards having rigidity. I think it can easily understood. This red tapeism is quite important with respect to ethics, GS4. Red tapeism. And then lingering the doubts regarding the effectiveness. People keep doubting about the effectiveness of their implementations. After the recent findings over the inefficiency of outdoor smoke towers, New Delhi smoke towers filter air in, air out. It can be seen. Smoke towers, decision makers' hesitation is justified. This is one of the reasons, some of the reasons. And here, a systematic approach is required, is what the author wants us to know. Systematic approach based on emissions inventory, air quality modeling, source appropriation. These are so-called scientific tools. How does it help? How these help for overcoming the concerns. EI, emissions inventory and source appointment are critical to identify what understand origins of the pollution. These two helps in the finding the origins of pollutions. Here, how EI provides insights into local pollution sources and their contributions, allowing experts to forecast future emissions. EI helps for local findings. And let us go into SA. SA here says SA studies offer a detailed analysis of contributions from various pollution sources, including located FR. SA also gives the origins of the pollution like emissions from diesel trucks 200 meters away and 20 kilometers away. SA diesel vehicles 20 meters to 20 kilometers findings can be across from these scientific tools. And here in this paragraph, how are these being used? Cities should look into EISA data to pinpoint air pollutants, prepare mitigation measures targeting each polluting activity. This is how these scientific tools can be used, is what the author wants us to know. This defines some static data. And again, here focusing on the NCAP, beyond the need for data, models quick implementation or swift implementation on the ground is essential. For this, what we have to do, reduce bureaucratic red tape. We have already seen the red tapeism. And utilizing shared standardized technical evaluations, and then making use of fruitful use of funds. This is what overall the article describes. National Clean Air Program, the ministry which supported the ministry, and then definition for particulate matter, red tapeism. This is how one can easily cover different aspects of UPSC CSC from a single topic. Thank you.